Here's how to create a custom named entity recognition model that is able to detect names in just a couple of minutes. First off, get a dataset that contains a lot of names. For this, I'm going to use the initial clickbait sample dataset that you can find in the sample projects in Refinery. After that, go to the settings and create a information extraction labeling task. Then add the label person to it. After that, go to the heuristics page to create a new labeling function. Click on Search in Bricks to search for the person extraction module from Bricks. Click on Proceed, add the labeling task that we have just created, select the target attribute that contains all of our data, and select the label that we want to use. Now, click on Run plus Weekly Supervise, and within a couple of seconds our labeling function should be able to detect more than 500 names in our dataset. Next, head over to a code editor of your choice and import the Refinery Python SDK as well as our sequence learn library to create a custom named entity recognition model. You can get all of the data from Refinery into a neat pandas data frame, which we can then use to embed all of our data using the all-mini LM model from Hugging Face. Then we instantiate the CRF tagger from our sequence learn library to create a custom named entity recognition model. After the training is done, we can write down some sample sentences that our model has not seen before to test out if everything is working properly. And as you can see, our model is able to correctly identify names in a sentence even if it hasn't seen those names before. And that's how easy it is to create a custom named entity recognition model using Kern AI Refinery, Bricks, as well as our sequence learn library. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you have any feedback or questions you would like to ask, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss out on any cool content in the future. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Cheers!